the water in here, and it comes in
We're here with Rome Public Works Director Chris Jenkins. Chris, we've got a little inclement weather coming in this weekend. Tell us how much equipment is generally available for the city in the event of an ice or snow event.
Well, we have several small trucks that we can use with the brine operation to put out brine. We've got larger tanks that we can use to put on the bigger dump trucks. We have, I believe, 4 trucks that we can use, and we got 2 snow plows, and we have a motor grader that we also use. And well, it's very rare that we have to get in and that out, maybe a big storm, but a lot of times we don't. And when that happens, it's all hands on deck.
Chris, tell us exactly how does this brine solution work?
Well, it's a mixture of water and salt, and we have behind me 2 containers that keep the brine mixture in there. They've been mixed up for a while now, and it basically takes the water and the snow, anything that the freezing rain, and it keeps it from keeps it from developing on the road surface. It's a barrier between the road and so we use the brine a lot, when we know we're going to get big snowflakes, and it comes down. A lot of times if you use brine before snow, it'll wash off, or a lot of traction of cars will take it off the road surface. So it's just another tool that we use to keep the road from icing over.
And how do you prioritize the roads? Which roads get treated at which time?
Obviously, there's a lot of state routes here in the city of Rome, which a lot of them are around our hospitals. We kind of coordinate with GDOT on our efforts to make sure that the hospital areas are taken care of. The nursing homes, that's usually our first priority. We won't be brining at this time. The city won't. A lot of times when you brine the water, the rain will wash off the salt material, so it's going to be a more rain coming in than it could possibly freeze. So we'll wait and see what kind of locations may be dangerous. Those phone calls will come in through 911. We'll have a truck ready to go with salt on it. As you can see, salt spreader behind me is loaded and ready. On-call personnel will be notified, and they'll respond accordingly. And then if it's severe enough, a storm, then we'll call a team, a crew in, and act on that. If we, obviously down trees or anything of that nature, we're always ready with chainsaws and everything to come in and remove the trees. But we'll just see how the weather goes, and we'll be on standby for a little while, and hopefully everything will go well.